Thousands of the unemployed youth protest against the Forest Department in occupied Kashmir. The unemployed youth and the workers protested in the Kupwara, demanded the Forest Department to issue clearance for the stalled Border Roads Organization projects. Over 5,000 families rely on these projects for their livelihood, facing economic hardship due to the delays. The situation underscores bureaucratic inefficiencies and the precarious nature of the employment in the region. India is hell-bent to subjugate the Muslim population of the UN-declared disputed region through its anti-human policies. Protests of the employees in occupied Kashmir caused severe water supply disruption. The water supply in occupied Kashmir has been disrupted for the 5 days. The protesters are demanding the wage parity with the Ladakh. No action is taken by the Indian government. Kashmiri people vote to continue the protest until their demands are fulfilled. The water crisis reflects the Modi government's failure to provide the basic necessities, leaving residents without the water supply for the 5 days with no alternative arrangements. Economic discrimination continues as the workers demand equal wages like the Ladakh, exposing the BJP's betrayal of the occupied Kashmir residents.
हमारी मांगे पूरी करो, हमारी मांगे पूरी करो, हाय हाय फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट, हाय हाय फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट, हाय हाय फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट, हाय हाय फॉरेस्ट.
Protests in occupied Kashmir reflect a timeline of the civil unrest over the basic rights and the livelihoods. February 23, Handicap Association members were detained after their protest march in Srinagar against the authorities' failure to improve the livelihoods of the disabled. March 3, Bandipora residents protest over the drinking water shortage. March 9, daily wage worker protests outside the occupied Kashmir Assembly over the stop wages. March 11, daily wages protests in Srinagar, Kupwara, residents decry the long power cuts. March 18, Ganderbal labourers stage protest over the unpaid salaries. March 23, the Anganwadi workers protest in Srinagar demand the higher honorarium.